That's sure.
A little ways there. I got to dump this. I didn't want to have to dump this way back in there.
Yep.
Yes. That last time.
I know, right? But this is part 2 on the hay baler on YouTube about the side cab tractor. You always forget that bell.
I can see the string.
Yep.
See, you can't see that string.
Yeah, you can't already see that string right there. You gotta be in a good spot to see that string right there. If you're not in a good spot, then there's no sense you on that baler right there. Unless you pick a good spot to see that hay string.
I have to do it over.
Hey, I don't know. Those torches back. Dewar had their playoff yesterday on the football team where the Dragons went somewhere or play football. It's not in the Dragons stand. I'm sure one of my friends told me to do tomorrow. Dewar. The school I go to now is Dewar.
They better not be fucking with them damn bulldogs.
Say that on YouTube. Don't be after me thinking I'm the one that said that. Say that on YouTube, Grandpa. They're gonna be thinking I'm the one that said that. Yeah. Grind the gears again. It's right there, very on 3, I think. Yeah, you always got to pay attention to that as well. If you don't know anything, or you don't know how I operate this tractor or baler on it, then you don't need to be on a tractor, that's for sure. It's lighting up like a storm in here in this area. Here comes an airfield, pal. I bet if you know how to do this crap, then you can operate a tractor. You don't know how to do this, and you don't need to be on tractor. Let's do some of the idiots on YouTube right here. At least there's some people on YouTube that are 10 times smarter to operate a tractor. Or a baler hook on, that's for sure. I need to get out. These water race sweating up here because really I could barely even taking that cab tractor now. So I'll just film from here. Tell him to cool down some. Maybe I could like enter that cab tractor guy, I don't know. Yep, there he goes. So if that stupid little mirror don't mess up. I don't know where I'm going to get to join on the dirt team or what for basketball. I think about joining the dirt team on basketball if I even pass that physical. They may not pass me on that physical because they got, I got to hurry on my testing and that mesh is what's holding in place. Plus, I already had that right eardrum busted on me like 2 times already. I had it fixed. And the last ear surgery I got was, I think, in July. think July 28th, something like that. I know that was the last time getting my ear fixed. And my eardrum pops again, then it's gonna be no more ear repair. I'm gonna be deaf out that right ear forever, then had to get a hearing aid put in my right ear. And I sure don't want that, so like Grandpa put me under the shade. And y'all too can watch from here. So look at that go. Yeah, there's gonna be a part 2 for the makeup. After this, I'm getting myself a tractor ride back to the house. I'm getting sick and tired. I already rode my bike here towards that Arlene tube where that wood anything gets put at, where I rode my bike at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and catch a tractor ride way back. That walking's about tiring me out. Then it's like it's almost getting close to the time where I need to go back to my ear doctor. I'm gonna ask my ear doctor if I'm gonna be able to play like baseball, like basketball or baseball, because I'm thinking about trying on for baseball now for the dealer team, just for the Dragons. But I don't know, because I get hot easily. Then again, I sweat too bad. Who knows? I may try out for basketball though. I don't know. I know they're enrolling now for basketball. You know, a bunch of my friends told me I need to go tell the school that I'm going to be playing, but I gotta see on that ear first. Am I going to be able to play basketball or not? And then my ear doctor says if I can't play basketball, or he says if I can, I may have to see about that, because I know to get in basketball it requires a physical. I already know how that is. And plus, if I get set up for physical, that means they're going to check, see how I do and anything. If they even pass it, I'm joining in the Dragons team. Get me some basketball played. Who knows? I may win for the Dragons. That's at least what my school team is, the Diller Dragons. You know, I kind of like their school better. Diller's school, they don't have no dress code or nothing. You just wear whatever you want to wear. They don't give a crap about the dress code. You know, I did pretty much like all Maugie's school. Because one thing about it is they always make you wear uniforms. You know, they're strict about their dress codes and anything. It's a lot that why I didn't care much about for all Maugie. You know, I got some friends there that go to that school. So yeah, I still like Diller better than I do on Maugie. Yeah. No, I do miss some of my old friends out at Maugie at the high school and the middle school, but I remember them still. I even remember Emma Mitchell, let's see who else, Braylon Lewis. I remember half of people I know in Almagi. There goes my grandpa on the 886. And he already got that pile done with. Oh God, I'm getting tired. Uh, I think this is the last row. I think. Oh, we still had seen that Vermeer baler tear up some hay. That cab tractor. I'll get back with y'all too in just a second.